Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your week 3 screencast video. Let me get to the announcement with the schedule this week. As I say here, we're wrapping up the Twenge and Lukianoff and Haidt conversation, and we're moving into the critical thinking essay assignment at the end of the week. I will talk more about the critical thinking essay assignment in this week's lecture video. I think I should have that posted sometime Wednesday evening, so you'll have plenty of time to review the lecture video and write the critical thinking essay, which is due Sunday end of day on February 7th. All right, so you want to make sure that this week's post, you're familiar with the art of summarizing. Another reading. Let's get to that discussion board. The post is due Tuesday end of day. Responses by Friday. That way it's out of the way so you can focus on the critical thinking essay assignment. The art of summarizing is a chapter excerpt from a textbook I used to use a few years back. It's really good about summarizing, how to take ownership of the reading material. Lists like 3 traps that you can fall into when you are summarizing and how you can avoid those traps. All right, so be sure to take a good look at this and read this article. It will connect to what we do during the semester as we move into paraphrasing, quoting, and summarizing. So you want to look at some of the strategies and tips that the authors of that chapter excerpt talk about in the way of actively writing summary. Now you only have to open your essay with the 2 short summaries, one of Twenge and one of Lukianoff and Haidt's articles. But this is a good foundation for understanding summary, and it'll help later in the semester too. So I'm looking for the same structure for the initial post. Typical responses at the end of that initial post, and then the essay later in the week. All right, so that should be about it for this week's screencast video. Yes, initial post Tuesday, responses Friday, and you should be clear to focus on the critical thinking essay due on Sunday. Usually I begin my virtual office hours in week 3. However, this Tuesday I am not being able to hold office hours because I have to go get a COVID vaccine shot. I'll start virtual office hours next Tuesday in week 4 if you have any questions. All right, you can just dial in there. I'll talk more about that next week. All right, stay safe. Good luck.